Good day, everyone. Learn how to check the device specification, the tablet specification of any tablet you have. If it's Android, here we need to go to the settings, and at the left hand side where we have many options, we need to go to the option called About Device. So I'll click on About Device, and here you will have all the information like what is the device, what is the model, how much RAM we have, what are the cameras, what is the version. All right, and this is how you can check for security updates as well. So you can check the version, and all the specification about the device will be here itself. You can also see the storage, how much storage is being used, and the best part is you can also do the cleanup, and here it will clean up only the junk. You can see there are 2.06 GB cleanup is there, which is cache, and you can clear from here like a pro. If you find this tutorial helpful, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.